awesome event called Race Retro. Padraig and Emer have come over from Northern Ireland to attend this event. Just camera shy, look. Really cool Capri. Check out this Mark 1. Check that out. Tight squeeze in there, mate.
They're worse.
Wow, this little rally thing's awesome. Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and today me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat are going to an awesome event called Race Retro. Now, we've never been to this event before. It's a 3-day event, which tells me it's probably going to be so vast that we won't be able to get round everything in the one day that we're there. There's going to be loads of cars on display, but there's also a live rally stage at this show. So yeah, can't wait to get there and check out all the race and rally cars that are on display. My good friend Padraig Murphy and his daughter Emer have come over from Northern Ireland to attend this event, so really looking forward to catching up with those guys. For those of you that don't know, Padraig Murphy is the founder of a really cool event over in Northern Ireland called the Summit Show and Run, which me and Kat have been to the last 2 years, and we're looking to go back over there this year for it. I think it's in, is it in August? Yeah, it's in August. First weekend of August. I will leave links in the description to the social media from that event. If any of you are able to go over, it's well worth the trip. I'll leave links in the description to the 2 videos that I made at last year's event so you can see how awesome it is. But yeah, for now, we're going to make our way to Stoneleigh Park, where Race Retro is being held, and yeah, meet up with Padraig and Emer. And also, while we're on the subject of the Summit Run, massive shout out to Maria, Joseph, and all the other guys that are involved with organising that event. Just camera shy, look. Alright, so we've made it into what I'm assuming is one of many halls at this show. There's Elite Race Transmissions, who actually supplied the uprated half shafts for Maud, my Maud Mark II Escort, when I snapped one of the original ones. It's the first old school Ford that I've come across, really cool Capri. And over here, got a 6R4 Metro rally car. These things are awesome. 3-litre V6 in the back, really wide kit on it. Check out the rally lights in the front. Stumbled across my first old school Escort. Check out this Mark 1. Now, going by some of the signs up here, I think this is a Super Tourer, which I'm guessing is some sort of race series, but yeah, it's on stock arches. Already bumped into a couple of subscribers. Always happy to chat to you guys if you ever do see me out and about, but I think the best tactic for this show is just to cue the music and get some gimbal shots of the best cars that I come across. Alright, well it looks like the area where all the cars are being displayed inside is a bit smaller than I was expecting, unless there's some other halls that we haven't found yet. Now we are going to go and meet Padraig over by the rally stage. Of course, he's over watching the rally cars go round. But yeah, I'm outside in what I think is like is it the VIP section? I don't know, section where you can park your car just outside the building if you've got a cool car, I guess. And yeah, there's a few cool cars here, so let's have a wander around here before we go over to the rally stage. Celica over here looks really cool, white with the white rims. Not sure if that's some sort of body kit on it or whether that's standard. I know nothing about Jap cars. A Lancia Stratos over here, not sure if it's a kit car, I assume it is. Loving the livery on it, and it looks really cool on the yellow rims as well. Really tight cockpit in there. It's got sort of red and black interior. What an awesome thing. Really cool old school MG over here. Loving the blue and cream colour scheme. But next to that, Audi Quattro. Check that out, awesome thing. And just look at the beige Recaro interior in it. Now that is mega. Oh, it is an unusual find. A Dodge Viper. Looks like it's on some sort of foreign plate as well. American muscle. Just found a TVR Tuscan over in this corner. Looks really cool, red with the beige and red interior. Check that out. Catalina, Ferrari. We'll gloss straight past the Ferrari and check out the Mark III Focus RS, rocking a disc lock, very wise owner. There are a few cars parked here that I saw on the way in. We will have a quick look. Not even sure if I'm allowed in this bit. Yeah, really cool old R-Bath. Not sure what model it is. Mark I Golf over here with the rally lights on the front. Old school Mini that's just pulled up. Check that out. Tight squeeze in there, mate.
They're worse.
Really cool old MG. Check out the strap. Another old school MG. Check out this wide-bodied Porsche 911, I assume, with a Jägermeister livery. This thing's awesome. Proper race car. Plastic windows with the sliders. Cobra bucket seats in there. Proper racy cockpit. That's awesome. Anyway, I think now we're gonna go and find Padraig over by the rally section.
We're going off again in the programming was to be a co-driver. Instead of having the proper standard which is still to move up to, it's an open box rent of it. It's still quite an extensively quick piece of kit. Quite exciting car. It's one of his road cars. It's a smart car. It's on the 5-blade engine in it. Obviously one of the most famous escort builders in the country. It was built for Judy Simpson to do the 1970, and this was the Judy Simpson's original co-driver was Pauline Gullick. We've got a Sunbeam Lotus on the line at the moment that's in tribute colours of Andrew Zephyr. It's rather unfortunate that the original Andrew Zephyr Sunbeam Lotus is over in Northern Ireland at the moment, and
Well, this little rally thing's awesome. You can get quite close to the cars, unlike the rally that I went to with Padraig over in Northern Ireland. It's a lot more low speed than that one though, to be fair. But yeah, really cool to see escorts and other cars rallying. Now, ironically, Padraig has gone back inside. So yeah, we're gonna go and try and find him. Eventually, we did bump into Padraig and Emer, and then Padraig introduced me to Phil Mills, who was the co-driver for Petter Solberg when they won the 2003 World Rally Championship. After that, I had a joyride on someone's rental mobility scooter. Well, just like that, we are back at home. Once I met up with Padraig today, I decided to stop filming and just concentrate on enjoying the day. It was really, really cool catching back up with Padraig and Emer, of course. Massive shout out to both of you if you're watching this video. I actually bumped into so many people today that recognised me and came over for a chat. Massive shout to everyone who I did speak to. I actually bumped into Anton from the Dizzy Cap Car Show YouTube channel and Mark II Mitch, and I'll leave a link to both of their channels in the description. Now, the Race Retro event today was awesome. It was obviously my first time there, but yeah, it was really cool seeing all the rally cars going full send around the rally stage that they had there. See quite a few cars coming back to the pits with war wounds. So yeah, the drivers were going full steam, even though some of those rally cars are worth an absolute fortune. Now, we will of course be catching back up with Padraig and his friends and family when we go over to Northern Ireland for the Summit Show and Run, and I'll leave all the links in the description for that. Definitely worth the trip if any of you are able to make it over there. Got an awesome show on day one and then an awesome run through mountain roads. Last year it was over 100 miles. And yeah, even though I killed Esther's clutch the day after, it was still worth all the hassle. Such an awesome event. So yeah, if any of you are able to make it over there, it would be cool to get some more of us English lads over there. Last year there was actually a guy from Wales, but yeah, the event's getting bigger and bigger every year, and Padraig and his friends and family really do spend the whole year organising it. So can't wait for that. But yeah, in terms of this video, I really hope you enjoyed the footage that I was able to capture. If you did think it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Do click subscribe if you're new to keep up to date with all my future uploads. I will leave links in the description to my own website where you can check out my regular blog posts, get your hands on some official Marcus Hayes merchandise, or order parts for your cars. And don't forget, if you don't see the parts you need on my website, just drop me an email and I'll be able to source whatever you do need from one of my trusted suppliers. Massive, massive thanks to all my patrons for your ongoing support. I'll leave my email address in the description for anyone who wants to contact me. But other than that, until next time, thanks for watching.